Hey everyone, Ace back with you. Today we are playing Nuclear Plant Tycoon. So, it looks like this is my tycoon. It's pretty empty. I don't know where to start. I don't want to... Do I have to do the tutorial? So what is this? I want to have this. I'm going to have that there. Bye, I guess. I have my generator here. Let's have it at the center. Oh. There. Yay. Whoa. Is this a space rifle? This is just punching. So, looks like this powers this, and this powers that. So, it's basically how it works, I think, and we just have to make a generator. So, wait. Ah, I see, there are walls. Well, no, I don't want to place that there. Move. Boom. Let's go ahead and move that. Hey dude, you don't mind moving? Thank you. I love the music. Let's buy another wall. Buying so many walls. This is a pretty cool tycoon. Because you get to build your own stuff. It's not like you have to place it somewhere. You get to design your own place. It's pretty cool. So, this looks pretty good. Now, I want a friend door. I have to make sure I get one of those. Let's see, there's a present here. Oh! Free gift. That's amazing, guys. A free gift. Thank you. Whoa! That is lots of money. Lots. I could get lots of walls. Whoa. We're gonna build some more. Let's have a room right here. I'm gonna build a wall. Let's have... Boom. 5. We're gonna have a friend door right here. Holy shnikers. That's a lot of money, guys. Oh, that's $200,000. Okay. Let's just trap ourselves in here. Let's see if we can get some more generators. Five. Let's buy with this one. And we'll get another generator. Boom. Got some more generators. Our power plant looks pretty good. So, let's buy some more walls. And then we can do this. So, Let's build some more walls. And then we can have our own factory. Bye. It's gonna be amazing, guys. But I need we need a door here. Okay, well, we're gonna need... Where is it? I don't know where it is. Trying to think where it is. Oh, they're in here. There's a door. $20,000 for a door. Okay, we're gonna get some more generators in here. Place that here. Now let's get one of these. Bye. No, wrong place. We need to move this. Boom. We're gonna put another one right here. And there. Boom. And we need to buy this. And there. Boom. Lots of generators. Does that mean we make lots more money? Hopefully it does. Well, let's get some more walls. But it's gonna look amazing when it's done. Place it here. Place that there, and we will be there, guys. We can build our own factory, and it'll be awesome. We do really need a door. So, we'll just keep that there. So we have a little opening. We'll just keep that there. Right there. Keep it there. Let's go and can't say it. Explore. By explore, I mean kill anyone else in the game. Can I just walk on these? Okay. That's what I thought. They look like they have a good tycoon. Let's ruin it. They look like they have a really good tycoon. So, let's go blast their faces off. Whoop, whoop. Okay, let's go. Going around the corner. Die, die, die! Die by laser. Die by laser. Die! Yeah, boom. Amazing. I'm awesome. Awesomeness. Is there someone in my factory? Oh, God, help them. Oh, no. Wow. That's the saddest factory ever. I'm gonna go put him out of his misery. Put him out of his misery. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Like, subscribe, but do not dislike, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.